If you're watching this video, then you want to know exactly how to make your videos go viral on Instagram. And if you stick around till the end, you will know the 3 simple keys that I have used to rack up millions of video views on Instagram and other platforms. Hey, what's up you guys? Zaryn here once again with Market and Hustle, where we simplify marketing so that you can grow your digital influence and your business. If you haven't already subscribed, you should consider doing so, as I post weekly videos on marketing fundamentals and I even break out the steps that you need to take to apply the strategies that we cover. A viral video strategy should be a key part of your Instagram game plan if you are looking to exponentially grow your followers, because viral videos have the ability to land on Instagram's Discover feed, where they are discovered by millions of users that are currently not following you. Now, it's common that once someone sees your video on the Discover feed, they will go back to your page, and if you have more content like this, there's a really high chance that they will follow you and, more importantly, be an engaged user. Ladies and gents, virality does not happen by luck. There is a science to this, and by the end of this video, you will know the 3 principles to start creating these videos on Instagram. The first key is selecting the correct thumbnail for your video. This is important because Instagram is a visual platform and your video is competing with thousands of videos that are uploaded every minute. In order for somebody to watch what you post, they first have to stop their mindless scrolling. And this is the job of the thumbnail or cover image that you select. If your thumbnail is uninteresting, it will do a poor job of grabbing people's attention and people will likely skip right over your video. Some things I've noticed that worked really well, and a lot of viral videos have this in common, is that their cover image shows people in unexpected scenarios. It could be that you're doing something out of the ordinary or doing something in an environment that users would not expect. Now, one of my favorite Instagrammers that does a great job of this is @GhettoSpiderman, who is often seen dancing in public spaces in a Spider-Man suit, which always makes me laugh. Which takes me to my next point. In order for your video to go viral, it needs to evoke emotion from the user, whether it is making them laugh or cry, showing something that inspires, or creating shock value. Now, a perfect example of the last one is the old MTV hit show Jackass, where skateboarders turned mega global celebrities by doing ridiculous things in public. So now that you've created this amazing soon-to-be viral video, just post it and see what happens. Said no one ever. Although you might have a dope video and the perfect thumbnail, it still won't guarantee performance. The third and last step is often one that's overlooked. You want to partner with Instagram channels who repost other people's content and ask them to share your video and tag you. Now, you can find these thematic pages for all different kinds of interests. Just go on Google and perform a search for top Instagram pages, ... put in your topic, and once you find one, go to their Instagram bio and press the down arrow to see suggestions of similar pages. Now, these channels have amassed large audiences that are looking for your type of content. Now, when you reach out to these people, you want to keep in mind that they might want to charge you for the post, sometimes as low as 15 bucks, but it can get pretty expensive depending on the number of followers that they have and how many people are submitting content to them. But if you build a relationship with these pages by following them and engaging with their content consistently, oftentimes they will just share your video. So if you want to build your Instagram following quickly using a viral video strategy, make sure to apply all of these key elements to the video. And even if your first few videos do not become a cultural phenomenon, continue pushing out consistent quality content, and eventually you're sure to get there. Now, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you found the information useful. In the future, I'll be making more videos to elaborate on how you can grow real Instagram followers. But in the meanwhile, I would love to hear from you guys in the comments. Let me know if you guys would like to see more videos on this topic or others, and I will do my best to pump out a video for you. Until next time, this is where you can come to for simple marketing videos that help you grow your digital influence and your business. Peace.